blues. I got a whole. This ain't normal. This ain't normal. This ain't normal. This ain't normal. Pull up black truck back to back. This ain't normal. Walk around the bit with 100 racks. This ain't normal. 500 grams on this chain. This ain't normal. PBS ones and everything. This ain't normal. Pull up black truck back to back. This ain't normal. Walk around the bit with 100 racks. This ain't normal. 500 grams on this chain. This ain't normal. PBS ones and everything. This ain't normal. Crackers wanna lock a nigga up. Tyreek Hill. They don't want to see me with it. I know how Tyreek feel. I got Smurfs in all four pockets. All blues. I got a whole wang in my house. All shoes. How you fucking with a nigga that all he do is flag? Always running the stick sucker but never got a bag. I'm starting to feel just like Nike. I got a check on me. Why you wanna kill me by this bitch? I done got a neck on me. Wet pussy, dry pockets, baby, that ain't winning. I can have a bitch eating good like Thanksgiving. Call me Mr. Five Star, do the Holiday Inn. Them crackers ain't got a presidential and I ain't going in. Pull up black truck, man.
Well, family, y'all heard it and y'all seen it. If you're looking for some of this, come over here and see me. What's up, Dirt? We got you over here. Come see us. Peace out.